What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. As always, I'm starting the video off with lipstick on my teeth. All better. Anywho, in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the new Urban Decay Space Powder. Oh, so pretty. And the new Gingerbread palette from Too Faced, which I happen to have both products on my face today. So if you want to see how I got this look and what my thoughts are on both of these products, stay tuned and keep watching. Smoochies! Mwah. What's up, guys? Alright, so today's video, as I said, we are doing these two products right here, which I have on my face. Yeah, so before we jump into this, let me say, just do it. You know what to do. Smash all those buttons below, subscribe, follow, whatever, you know. Just do it. I hate having to say it every time, so I'm going to say just do it, and you'll know what I mean. All right? Having said that, if you are new to my channel, what's up? I'm Jen. Thank you for joining me. And if you're a returning viewer, what's up? What's good? How you been? Glad you made it back. All right. Let's jump into this video because I know you guys are probably tired of hearing me yap all the time anyway. So at the end of this video, there will be little clips of me achieving this look, if you will. Somewhere in this video I will include that, as well as some swatches. I have swatched all of these, so make sure you check out the end. There will be the swatches as well. So let's talk about this palette. First things first, it is the usual standard, I believe $49 for this palette. And this was $17 because this is a mini version, I guess. I don't know. All right, so that's 17 and I believe 49. I believe. Anywho, it's got, you know, it's the usual, smells like mocha, that whole, yeah, it smells like mocha. Didn't just get lipstick everywhere. Anyway, and you've got what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 18 shadows. And they're so pretty. Okay. I have swatched all of these already. I want to say first things first, I did use all of these. I used this palette on my eye look today. And I think they all blended really beautifully, honestly. They really did a nice job. The only ones I'm concerned about when I swatched was this bright pink one. When I swatched it, it looked a little patchy. But having said, you know, red and purple are two of the hardest to do. So I don't know. I'm gonna see how they do on the eye. But see, I'm rubbing it in. It's all right, but it's just, I don't know. It came out a little patchy the first time I swatched, but that was just a swatch. It was the first time. I don't know. I could have done something wrong. It could have done weird, whatever. So I'm not judging it by that. Other than that, I do want to say, okay, now this color here, as well as I believe this one, and maybe even a little bit of this one, but you can tell the texture's a little different and they come out a little crumbly. I have eyeshadow on my nose. I'm a mess. Anyway, they do come out a little crumbly when you dip your finger in them. I don't know if you can even, if this does it justice or not. Come on, there we go. See, it looks a little crumbly, but when you actually rub it on the hand, it does blend out beautifully. So you may have some fallout is mainly what I'm thinking. So just beware. These tend to be a little more dusty than others, you know, so you might even definitely want to wet your brush, I'm sure, as well as you may even want to use like glitter glue, you know, to help hold it down. Now let's talk, so I don't know. I mean, as I said, you'll see me applying it. I thought it blended really well. I love Too Faced. I generally love most of their products. Not all, but most. And this one was just so pretty as all the others. And of course, it always comes with their little book with 3 looks. There's the one. And then there's 2 more. So they give you some ideas to get you started, which is nice. I do save all of these from each palette that I've gotten. So, I don't know. I just think this one's really cute. I usually get their holiday, you know, palette or whatever they have for the holiday. And this one impressed me. I can't with this lips today. Anyway, but yeah, this one, I love it, just like I love my others. Don't get me wrong, there are some that have their moments. You know, not every eyeshadow in every palette works great for me. But generally speaking, I'd say at least 90% do. So I don't usually have too many issues with them. All right, moving on to this Urban Decay. Urban Decay's highlighter. Now this guy, this space powder, it's supposed to be for your body as well as your face. It's shimmering powder for face and body. Now this guy, I do have it on my cheeks, and it is a much more natural highlight. This isn't like a jouet pop of gold kind of highlight. This is going to be more of a light-catching highlight. You know, it's because it's got the micro glitter in it, and it's all little tiny gold pigments. See, as the light hits it, it starts shimmering. So it looks really beautiful in the lights. It's a much more natural highlight, which I think Urban Decay, in my opinion, tend to run a lot more natural. They're not your typical blinding, smack you in the face with, you know, a piece of tinfoil kind of look. You're just not going to have that. I haven't noticed for most of Urban Decay highlighters. But they're still all, I still think they're beautiful. This one, I love it. I think it's great for every day, like, you know, an everyday kind of highlighter, personally. If you can see on my chin, it just gives your skin such a beautiful bronze, you know, like a golden goddess kind of glow. I think it'll be beautiful all over, you know, little to hit all the high points on your body. With a tan, hell yeah. Hell yeah. Anywho, all right. Stay tuned. Keep watching for the swatches and the rest. I just wanted to talk about these products real quick. I do give them both 2 thumbs up as of right now. I did enjoy them very much, and I plan on playing with them some more and coming up with some more looks. But, yeah. Oh, by the way, the colors I used on my face today, I used this one here, Gingerbread Latte, right here on the bottom. So I dig my nails in. That was in my transition. Then I went up here on the crease there, and I popped that one. Spice is Nice. That's the whole crease there. And then this is on the brow bone. This one here, and that is Spiked Eggnog. That's brow bone and inner corner. On the lid is Warm and Toasty, which is that gold here, which is right here. And then on the outer V and lower lash line, I used Reindeer Paws, which is this nice chocolate down here. And that's it. So, yeah. Make sure you look down below for all of the products worn in today's video. Oh, and by the way, I did want to mention this space powder by Urban Decay. The way the highlighter looks, it reminds me similarly of this. Remember in the Wet n Wild's collection when I did the Ice versus Fire Dragon, that whole collection, the 3-parter. I did the monochromatic red look, which I will link below. But I used this gold pigment from Wet n Wild as a highlighter and on the inner corner and so forth. Anyway, the way that this powder kind of lays down on the skin and has that, like, I don't know, more natural weathered kind of look, it kind of reminds me of this. This is absolutely more metallic, but they give me the same kind of vibe, if you will. I don't know. Check out the video. I'll link it below. You'll see what I'm talking about. Anyway, that's it for now. Keep watching for the rest of this stuff. And I love you guys. Smoochies. Mwah.